How to withdraw money on weCash. Alright guys, so make sure to withdraw your money on weCash application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To withdraw your money on weCash application, first of all, open weCash application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for your balance. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can select the request or payment method that you can receive the amount on. If you want to take out or withdraw balance on Amazon, tap on Amazon and write down or select the option that you want to take out or withdraw money. If you want to withdraw money of $50, select that option. However, you need to earn it. Once you earn it, you'll be successfully able to withdraw your money. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to pay out or take out your money from weCash application. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.